Good morning, students. Today we will start with the topic functions of management. There are 5 functions of management. That first one is the planning. In this, we will think about the future. We will make the plans. Either it is a single plan or a standing plan. In the same, we will prepare some strategies. We will prepare some policies or programs or methods for the future. On the basis of these planning, we will organize the resources in the second function of management. Whatever the resources we required, either it is a human resources or it is a material resources, we will we will organize the same in the chapter organizing. Then after organizing the resources, we need a human resource, means we will recruit the right person at the right place. Then we will give a training and development to those. Then directing, we will instruct the employees to do the work in this way by supervising them, by communicating the rules and regulations, by leading them, or by motivating them also. Clear? And the last function, that is the controlling. This function also known as the backward looking function. In this, we will find the deviation between the actual performance and the planned performance. Then again, we will move back to the planning. Whatever the deviations we have find in the controlling, again we will plan for the same. Then organizing, staffing, directing, controlling will take place for the deviations. Now the next topic is there, that is the coordination. Here coordination means the process of synchronizing the activities of different departments. Here synchronization mean that you have to make the orderly arrangement of activities of different departments to achieve the goal of the organization. Clear? It means that orderly arrangement of things here means or activities here means that teamwork is required. Means we need a teamwork. अगर टीम वर्क नहीं होगा तो हम अपने गोल को अचीव नहीं कर पाएंगे. So there is a need to relate and integrate the activities of different departments too. Now why coordination is the essence of management? Because coordination is needed to perform all functions of management. Coordination is needed at all functions of management, either it is a planning, staffing, organizing, directing, or your controlling. Coordination is required at top level, all the levels, either it is a top level, middle level, or lower level. Coordination is required, interdependentness and interrelatedness is required in all the 3 levels. Coordination is the most important function of an organization. Why it is a most important function? Because if there is no coordination in any of the function of the management or any of the level of the management, so at that time your business cannot survive in the market. So that's why we can say that coordination is the most important function of the organization. Clear? Now the nature of coordination. As the first nature is there, that is coordination integrates the group effort. As the individual person in the organization doesn't want any type of coordination, because he know very well that whatever the work is there, that is to be done by himself. उसी को ही करना है सारा काम. But if there are number of employees in the work position or at the organization, so the coordination is required to do the work in a group. Clear? Coordination is required. The orderliness or the integration is also required at the different backgrounds or having a different style of working. Next is there, that is ensure unity of efforts. This point is related to the unity of direction, that when the number of employees are there in the business, so there must be one project for all the peoples in the business. So that's why we can say that unity of efforts are required at in the business organization to achieve the goal of the business. Next is given, that is the continuous function. As coordination is a non-ending function, in this the manager work continuously to achieve the coordination and maintain the coordination, because without coordination company cannot function efficiently. Coordination is a pervasive function because it is a universal function required at all the organization, either it is a business organization or the non business organization. ठीक है बेटा, in all the departments in the business organization, in all the department, at all the levels coordination is required. ठीक है, due to interdependence of various activities on each other. So that's why we can say that coordination is a pervasive function. Coordination is the responsibility of all managers. Why it is a responsibility of all manager? Only top level is not responsible to coordinate the overall plan and policies of the organization. Middle level also try to coordinate the different departmental activities, and lower level coordinate the activities to the worker. Sixth point is there, that is coordination is a deliberate function. Deliberate function here means it is a planned function. It means that without coordination, efforts of individual cannot be united and integrated. That's why while performing the various activities in the organization, managers deliberately perform the coordination function. Means each and every work is to be done by the manager in a planned manner. Now the importance of coordination. Growth in size is there. Growth in size here means कि जितना बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा कोऑर्डिनेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट आएगी. दैट्स वाई द कोऑर्डिनेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड while increasing the business. Functional differentiation is there. As in the large organization, the different departments are there, different divisions are there, different workers are there. So there must be a coordination between all the departments, all the divisions, all the workers. They must be interdependent and interrelated to each other to achieve the goal of the business in an effective and efficient manner. Now the last one is there, that is specialization. Specialization says that कि as in the organization the experts are recruited at the टॉप लेवल. मीन्स एक्सपर्ट्स जो हैं हम लोग क्या करते हैं, रिक्रूट करते हैं एट द मैनेजर पोस्ट. सो इट मीन्स कि दे आर एक्सपर्ट इन देयर फील्ड, दे ऑलवेज टेक द राइट डिसीजन इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. क्लियर बेटा? बट sometime if these specialized will take the decision without consulting or without taking suggestions from the another department, there may result a confusion. So there is a need to coordinate the activities of all the specialists in a common direction and get maximum benefit of these specialists. So we can say that specialization is one of the important term in the organization. Clear? Now what you have to do, you have to make the notes of the same, try to do the case studies of the same. Clear beta? Have a nice day.